Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is honestly one of the most exciting videos for anyone interested in AI, full stack development or front-end engineering because today I have three excellent opportunities and all three target completely different skill sets. The first company is Rapido and they are hiring AI engineers. The second one is a Finastra, one of the biggest fintech software companies in the world, and the third company is Exotrac where they are hiring React developers remote opportunity. So whether you are learning Python, AI, React, JavaScript, Cloud, make sure to watch this video till the end because I will explain everything. Let's start with the first company. The first company is Rapido and they are hiring for the role of forward deployed AI engineer intern. Now, if you ever booked a bike taxi or a auto online, chances are you have already used Rapido. But today, Rapido is not just a mobility company, they are heavily investing in AI and automation, and that's exactly where the internship comes in. This is a paid internship located in Bangalore, and internship duration is 3 months. It is a full time work from office internship, and the company is looking for freshers, especially final year students and recent graduates. Now, let's explain why this internship is actually different from most AI internships. Most internships simply ask you to build small ML models or clean data sets, but Rapid is looking for engineers who can actually solve business problems using AI. That means you will work on real production style AI applications instead of only doing academic work. Now let's understand your responsibilities. You will build AI powered applications. You will create automation workflows that reduce manual work. You will develop backend integrations using APIs. You will collaborate with both technical teams and business teams because AI projects usually involve multiple departments. You will also help implement AI solutions inside existing products. Apart from that, you will also participate in software development, deployment, debugging, testing, and continuously improve AI applications. The company also expects you to stay updated with emerging AI technologies because the AI ecosystem changes almost every week. Now let's discuss the skills. The company specifically mentioned Python, automation, JavaScript, SQL, and they also want familiarity with modern AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Cursor. Honestly, I like this part because many companies still ignore AI productivity tools where Rapido actually wants engineers who know how to use them effectively. Or if you have already experimented with tools like N8N, Make, AI agents, prompt engineering, or backend API integrations, your profile becomes even stronger. Now, coming to education, the company is looking for final year students or recent graduates from CS, IT, engineering, or related technical fields. Another important thing, Rapido has clearly mentioned that selected candidates should be able to join within 15 days, so keep that in mind before applying. Now let's look at the benefits. It's a paid internship and you will work with experienced engineers, and depending on your performance, this internship can actually open big doors in the future. So, if you are serious about AI instead of only learning tutorials, this is definitely one opportunity you should not miss. Now, let's move on to the second opportunity. The second company is Finastra, and they are hiring associate software engineers. This is a full time work from office opportunity located in Pune, and candidates with 1 to 2 years of experience can apply. Now, if you don't know about Finastra, let me explain quickly. Finastra is one of the world's largest financial software companies. Their products are used by banks across multiple countries for payments, lending, treasury management, and digital banking. So, unlike startup projects, you will work on software that actually used by financial institutions globally. Now let's understand what you will actually do. Your responsibilities include participating in software design discussions, understanding project requirements, developing efficient C++ applications, testing and debugging software, resolving technical issues, collaborating with product stakeholders during releases, maintaining enterprise software, and supporting technical enhancements. So, this role gives complete exposure to the software development lifecycle. Now, let's discuss the required skills. The company specifically mentioned C++, STL, data structures, Git, SDLC, debugging, problem solving. If you have prepared C++ for placements or solved DSA problems using C++, this role becomes much more achievable. Now, coming to the education, The company requires a bachelor's degree in CS, IT, or a related field. So you will receive continuous learning and career development opportunities. If your goal is becoming a strong C++ software engineer or entering enterprise software development, Finastra should definitely be on your application list. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity of today's video. The third company is Exotrac and they are hiring React developers. And honestly, this is probably my favorite opportunity in today's video. Why? Because it's a completely remote. This is a remote full-time opportunity. Candidates with 0 to 3 years of experience can apply, which means both freshers and early career developers are eligible. Now, Exotrac is a New York based company that develops cloud based logistics and yard management software. Their products help automotive, manufacturing, retail, and supply chain companies manage operations efficiently. Now let's understand what you will actually work on. You will build responsive user interfaces using React.js, develop reusable front-end components, integrate REST APIs, manage application stack using Redux or MobX, write unit tests, debug front-end issues, improve application performance, collaborate with designers, backend developers, and product managers. And one thing that caught my attention, the company also mentioned using AI coding tools to improve development efficiency. That means modern AI assisted development is already becoming a part of the engineering workflow. Now let's discuss the required skills. They have listed JavaScript ES6 Plus, React.js, React Hooks, REST APIs, Git, Webpack, Babel, ER, Jest, React testing libraries, TypeScript, CI/CD, and AI coding tools. Apart from that, if you already know Next.js, React Native, GraphQL, Node.js, or Claude, your profile becomes even more stronger. Education wise, eligibility is also very flexible because any graduate can apply. Now, the biggest benefit here is obviously the remote work opportunity. You will work from home while contributing to enterprise cloud products using one of the most in demand front end technology stack available today. You will gain exposure to cloud based applications, collaborate with experienced engineers, and continue learning modern front end technologies. Now let's compare all three opportunities quickly. If your goal is to building a career in AI, automation, or Python, then Rapido should definitely be on your first priority. If you are interested in enterprise software development using C++ and you are very strong at C++ and solve the DSA questions, then go for the second one. And if you're passionate about React, JavaScript, or front-end development and looking for a remote opportunity, then go for the third one. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.